What have you actually ever caught on a whitefish, just out of interest?
Well, we've caught all sorts of. I mean, I've heard of a friend of mine said that they ran a whiting about this big and got a 10-foot tiger.
Well, what? Could you do that for us while we're hanging around?
Is that a black drum?
That is a drum, yeah.
And,
It's caught last night.
and this guy?
That's a cow-nose ray.
Oh, that's cool.
De-winged, isn't it?
No, it's just the center section of the cow-nose.
Yeah.
So what I did is I just took the wings off and I just run in the middle section.
Yeah, it's put an elastic band through the
And
head
then a
of
rubber
the
band,
bait.
because I'm fishing barbless, and this just keeps the hook in position.
Do you take all your barbs off?
Yes.
That helps on the release, yeah?
It's much quicker, it's much more humane on the shark, and you don't have to struggle to get those hooks out. So these are 1 pound copper weights. These are made by James Rye with Rye tackle. They're really good weight. We can use copper wires because we don't have a lot of we don't have a lot of current. So at least if a fish picks it up, it's not as bad as a stainless steel wire where they're going to bury in the sand and it's a nightmare to get them out. But when the current's strong, you won't use copper wires. Then we're going to run it down to, I'm going to run a black drum and a cow nose. And I run floats. And we'll probably see on the camera out there, I run big floats out there. At least you can see where you drop your bait. And if you cut off, you can go back and retrieve all your stuff. As opposed to littering the ocean and leaving everything behind. It's expensive.
Yeah.
And I mean, you lose a leader and a weight and all that kind of stuff, you're losing 30, 40 bucks at a time. And not only that, you're leaving so much trash in the ocean, so you might as well just go and retrieve it.
I think it's a great idea.
And then the last trip I did, I actually got cut off while I was fighting a fish, and I was able to attach the line to my kayak, yak out there, grab the float, attach it back on again, and then land the fish. So the fish didn't swim off with anything.
Win-win.
It's a win-win situation.
Perfect.
Right bait is down, right bait is down.
Copy, right bait is down.
Got a redfish, huh? Oh, could be a big old red. Or black.
Oh, big old stingray.
I thought something that did it when I was.
Yeah, I can see. Come here, Carol, bring your rod. Big old pig. Nice. Wind your line in, Carol. Hey, go. Hey, go. Come here. You know what's that right here?
$42.
42 and a half.
42 and a half. Nice red.
I don't even know if I can pick this sucker up.
Can you pick it up?
Can it possibly?
Good one, Carol. Nice job, Carol. There you go. It's going to be released.
Man, I wish I could catch a pump on it right now. Ooh. What's that?
A shark?
Sandbar.
722. By George, they did it.
He's magnificent.
Tag it. You're gonna tag it. You're gonna tag it if it's trying to roll over. There you go. Calm down, big boy.
Go home. What an ending to the day.